So hello again. We're going to do two problems. Okay. So the first one is we have a straight line. Remember y. The equation is always written as y is equal to what? M of x plus b, where m and x, because they're partners, m is the slope, b in this case is the value of y when x is equal to 0. So what is the slope? The slope is -2. And we already know what the y-intercept is. It is 3. So the answer here, guys, is going to be what? B. Ta-da! Right? We don't even have to draw the graph. It kind of tells us here, right, that we know that the b, right, or the value of y is equal to 0, or the number by itself, the y-intercept, the line hits the y-axis, is 3. So we know that one. Look at number 5. Okay. Number 5 is funky. It says x is equal to 2y minus 3. Now, I don't like that. Why? Because it's not written the way we like it. The way we want it to be is y equal to m of x plus b. So basically y and x are on bad sides, right? So what we're going to have to do is we're going to actually have to move it over. And I'll show you what the answer is. Okay. So here is the answer. I hit B, but just to show you the answer. So this equation, right, is not in the right form. Like, it's all messed up. So it says x equal to, not y equal to. So it should be y equal to. Always. Y is always going to be on the left-hand side. So why is it? Because it is. So x is equal to 2y minus 3. Now remember, basically, we want to have y by itself. So how are we going to do that? We want to basically bring the 3 over. How are we going to do that? Well, if we have a -3, we're going to add 3. And by doing that, we get x plus 3 equal to 2y. Because we just want 2y by itself. I just need some alone time. And what we're going to do is just simply swap it, right? Because remember, x should be on the right-hand side, y is on the left. So now we have 2y equal to x plus 3. Now, yet again, we have 2y, but we just want it as y. So what we're going to do is we're going to isolate. And what we're going to do is going to put it in quarantine. And in order just to get y by itself, we now have 2y. So it's like 2 times y. We're going to divide y by 2. So by doing that, in order to keep, remember, everything balanced, everything in balanced form, we're going to have to divide by 2 over here as well. So now we have x divided by 2 and 3 divided by 2, which is y is equal to half x plus 1.5, or 1.5, 3 over 2. So now the slope is 1.5, because that has a partner, right? And the intercept is 1.5. So don't worry about 0, 1.5. Just basically, like, it should be 0 because the value of y when x is equal to 0. But we already know that, right? So basically, we know what b is. So hopefully that helped you out, and that was not too difficult of a problem to work out. So we'll do one more, and then you have some problems to do by yourself.